Shifting News. Explore, feel, shift.
Saturday of the month. Every last Saturday of the month within Rwanda. People, if you are going to work, people will walk to work. And then for others, they involve themselves in community activities. They excavated the previous cabros and mostly they'll be installing new ones. You can see how this section looks. It's not that tidy. There is a lot of work going on here. That tells you that is. And you have, you can see Delphine Hotel. Hey, good people, and it's a warm morning, and I welcome you back to Shifting News. Always a great channel with those wonderful videos and calming views within Nairobi and beyond. And I think with these videos of Nairobi, you'll be in a position to understand the whole of Nairobi virtually. And I hope you know this is OTC. So thank you to all our returning supporters. You are amazing people, and we say continue supporting us, continue giving us the insights, comments on all our videos, such that we can go out and bring more and more videos. To our new visitors, join this amazing family, subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. This is within the Nairobi streets, and this is when you come from the OTC area, as you intend to join the River Road section. So today is a Sunday. It's around some few minutes past 10 a.m. Just trying to explore these unique streets of Nairobi city. A city termed as the green city under the sun. And this is the junction of River Road and Ronald Ngala streets. Different vehicles to different areas flying around this area. What do you think of Nairobi? By there is always, I think you can all agree that Nairobi never goes to a break. Whether a holiday, whether weekend, whether weekday, you'll always find people here in the city, busy, different activities, and that makes Nairobi the unique city it is. Oh, we have another vehicle here operating to Odaya Kiriaini Nyeri. I think this is our next planned tour to Nyeri town. We have several people who have requested for a tour to Nyeri, and I believe that will be in our, or it is in our list of areas to visit. Just give us time, and once resources align, we will be able to head to that area. So we have Kiriaini, Odhaya. So for those who are visiting us for the first time, join this amazing family. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. And we are along this river road area within Nairobi city.
Shifting news.
And
Explore, feel,
recognize
shift.
there are some countries which have good policies. I think Rwanda is one of them. Rwanda has a day called Umuganda, and during this particular day they have adopted a policy of you walk to work, and then people also participate in community activities like cleaning of the streets. So this happens on the last Saturday of the month. Every last Saturday of the month within Rwanda, people, if you are going to work, people will walk to work. And then for others, they involve themselves in community activities, which include cleaning of the streets. And I think that has helped, and it is a discipline. So the policy is working well, because Rwanda, especially if you go to Kigali, you will realize that Kigali appears to be the cleanest city, should we say, in East Africa. I think we can just say it's East Africa because we haven't explored other, or we haven't read about the analytics of other cities within Africa. But Rwanda is one such amazing country, and they have that Umuganda Day. Is it Umuganda Day, or it's just termed as Umuganda, the culture where they walk to work and they have those cleaning events to make sure that the city is clean. So along River Road you will find different vehicles lined along this section. River Road comes all the way from the area around OTC all the way to Koja Junction, that is Koja Stage. You can see we have different vehicles to Kilifi, Mavueni, Malindi, Mombasa, Voi. So these are the vans that operate that route. And on our left, we have vehicles heading to Naivasha, Nakuru, the 2NK Sacco vehicles. What do you think about Nairobi, and especially on a Sunday? So we give you these views, and by the way, these virtual tours can make you understand Nairobi at large, and you find yourself you are very versed with Nairobi, unlike when you just come, maybe you don't have the adequate time. This is the Kenneth Matiba Road. Hope you remember some of our tours we did along this stretch. So you find that you will understand Nairobi virtually, all sections of Nairobi. Like this one, I think they need to revamp. The street is dusty. They need to include the cabros, and I think that is in the process. Probably they excavated the previous cabros, and mostly they'll be installing new ones. You can see how this section looks. It's not that tidy. There is a lot of work going on here. That tells you that is. And you have, you can see Delphine Hotel.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
Hotel along the River Road. And also different vehicles to different routes. Have Royal Liner going to Malindi. Its booking office is just over there. So today being a Sunday, you'll find that we don't have lots of businesses that are open. So not all businesses are open during a Sunday. The Sunday, most people will find they take a break on Sunday to relax and probably plan for the next Monday or the next day. And this is Nairobi. What do you think? For our new subscribers, welcome on board. Say thank you for joining this amazing family, and we'll be here to continue giving you the amazing views, unique views, unique drives, unique tours all along Nairobi and beyond. And very soon, and I don't know how soon is soon, we'll be able. By the way, for those, I think Nyakio house is somewhere here. This is at the junction of the Latema Road and River Road. So you can see Latema Road. So we'll be diverting around this place. We use the Latema Road. We are going to connect to Lagos Road. Lagos Road is an area where you can board vehicles to Uthiru. So see, we have just a few shops, and maybe let's have a view of this street. Nakuja. So this is within Nairobi, and you can see this street where I think there are plans to revamp this street and make it better, because right now it looks so weird and so untidy. I think they dug the soil, and most likely they'll be revamping this place to make the street look better. So we hope you enjoy the city tours we do, the city drives, and all combined. And if you are new here, join this amazing family, subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. And right now we join the Lagos Road. So here you find vehicles plying the route to Uthiru, Kangemi, Dumboini, mostly the Starbucks and also the Latema Circle lined along this Lagos Road. So if you go straight, you'll be heading to Koja area. So thank you for that amazing walk within the town from the OTC area all the way to this place called the Lagos Road. Thank you, and see you in our next video. And remember to comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video.
Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.